Hi there. Today we're gonna do a side graft. This usually means we're gonna put a grafting to the side like this and help the tree. Either we're gonna put a pollinator or another variety on the same tree. So today we're gonna put an olive and a side graft. We have the cuttings, but we're gonna remove most of it. Let me zoom out 1 second. That's better. So we have the cutting and we're gonna remove most of it. So all I'm gonna keep is a couple of side shoots. We're gonna remove the dead ones and most of the length of this branch. So we're gonna remove here, here. For now, this is enough. So let's start here. This tree had some severe pruning. This was done, in fact, so that we can have 3 varieties, but it wasn't successful. So let's start here. I'm gonna cut a T-like cutting, so it's like a capital T, and we're gonna open the bark. So let's see. One side is nearly done, so let's see. Oh, here is perfect. So here we have the door. Maybe you can see it. Here we have the door. So let's prepare the cutting. So we're gonna cut it tapered like a screwdriver. If you've never done this, you can practice on a couple of cuttings. And we need to arrive to the center core. If it gets broken, don't worry. You can always pull a bit back. That's why we do them a bit extra long. And here we have the core. Maybe you'll see it in the light better, so that it connects more. I'm gonna cut it straight from above, and I'm gonna thin it a bit more. Always cut outwards, not towards you. And I'm gonna open the flap and insert it right there. I am seeing that it's bumping a bit here, so let me clear a bit from here, from the back. That way we have a clean entrance. That is better, much better. So all we need now is some masking tape. Always pull the masking tape the way the door is open. So you pull on it so that it makes more force. Now the last bit before we do the wound paint is we need to close this cap, or it may be a problem when wound compound or the rain goes into, or even water dew. So we do a V with the tape like a funnel and insert it behind it. So we do a V and we pull it down. We do another one on top of it. Thank God tape is cheap these days, so we can use how much we need. We put another one behind it in the same way. And always remember, the shorter the grafting, the better the chances of it surviving. The longer you do it, there's a higher chance that it dies up as it dries, and the grafting needs a lot of water to survive, so it will start eating, let's say eating itself up to survive. So this is done. As you can see, this is a bit extra, this one is extra, so I'm gonna cut below it. And we can remove a couple of leaves from here. And now all we need is our artistic skills to paint everything. Don't forget, we also need to paint where we pruned it here, and also these small sticks where we pruned it. So let's get out our pruning paint. So all we need is paint it a thick layer. I know the paint isn't cheap, but it's better to put a thick layer than a thin one, and it's useful for nothing. So we're gonna paint it. We paint the top and wherever we grafted the branches of the scion, and check the back also. That way we did a grafting, side graft to be accurate, and if we have any sucker, so let me see, let me fix the tripod so you can see the suckers also. So here we have a couple of suckers, and all we need is we pull them down. They are green, so it's better to pull them down so that no eyelets remain. If you cut them with a scissor or a pruning shears, some buds will be still there, and therefore they will come back again. Here I've skipped a couple ones, and that's it. With your hands you can pull them down, it's easier. Also, if these suckers are very huge, you cannot pull them down with your hands, you have to use a pruning secateur. Hope you enjoyed this video about side grafting. It's not difficult, and mostly everybody can do it. It's important to know what you're doing, and most of the time it will be successful. That's all for today. Thanks. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.